Welcome to the third video of Excel Financial from Virtual Coaching, and the topic is future value or FV. So the function FV, that is the future value, will give you the future value of an investment based on a constant interest rate. For example, if we deposit a lump sum amount, or if we deposit a constant payment on a monthly basis in a saving account, or if we do it on a quarterly basis, we can also do it on a semi-annually basis also. For the sake of this example, for example, if we are saving 5,000 rupees on a monthly basis in a particular saving account, this will make it 60,000 rupees for 1 year. Similarly, if we are going to invest on a quarterly basis, so we will be investing 15,000 rupees per quarter. So this is the amount of our investment. The bank will be offering us, or any financial institution will be offering us, a constant interest rate. Let's assume our interest rate is 10%. So if it's 10% per annum, so we'll apply the formula 10% divided by 12 in order to find out the monthly rate of return. That will be 0.83% per month. And in case of a quarter, we will be doing it as 10% divided by 4. So how many number of installments are we paying? In case of a lump sum amount, we are paying just one installment, like it will be just one investment. In case of monthly investments, we will be making 12 investments because we will be paying 5,000 rupees every month. In case of a quarter, we have 4 quarters in an year, so we will be paying 4 investments if we are making an investment on a quarterly. So the future value in this case will be the rate of interest, first of all. That is 10% in our case, then the number of investments or the number of payments. In the first example is a lump sum, this will be 1, and then how much is the amount of the investments. In this case, this is 60,000 rupees. Now the other two optional requirements are the present value and the type of investment. So we already know about the type. It can be 1 or 0. Depending on whether we are making the investment at the start of the period or we are making the investment at the end of the period. For the present value, if you have studied financial management, or if you have some knowledge of the business mathematics, present value is actually the time value. It is related to the time value of money. So the amount that you will be getting in future, what is the present value of that? What is the dollar value, the actual purchasing value of that amount in present terms? To make it easier to understand, a $100 note 5 years ago and a $100 note today has a different worth in the market. Although the face value is the same, but what it can buy or what it could buy 5 years ago and what it can buy today is different. So that is actually the time value of money. In this case, we will be ignoring this. We will not be putting any value up there, and just try to understand this. If you click here, it will give you, this is going out of the frame now, so let me just put it here. So the present value is actually the series of is worth now, right? In this case, we will be putting it at 0. And for the type, we will be making, as I said, it's either 1 or 0. So it depends on whether you are making the investment at the start of the period or the end of the period. In our case, we will be doing at the beginning of the period, so our type will be 1. And it is giving you the value of 66,000. So if I say okay, so if we deposit 60,000 rupees in a saving account for 1 year with a return of 10%, so we will be getting 66,000 rupees. Now this value is in minus, which means that we are paying it out. So in order to get this value as positive, we have to show this amount as an outflow of money because we are paying it. That's an outflow of money. So our 60,000 has to be in minus, and this will give us a positive value of 66,000. Now if we copy the same formula and paste it in this cell, we will be getting 63,000, and again we'll have to make this 5,000 as minus, so we will be getting 63,000 plus on our investment. And same, if we copy this and paste it here, we will be getting 63,844, again showing 15,000 as an outflow. We'll be getting 63,844. So if we keep our money, if we keep our lump sum amount for a complete year, we are getting more money, and if we are paying it as investment on a monthly basis, we are definitely getting less amount of money. And this is actually the concept of compound interest also. Now I would want you to calculate the same amount for 3 years. What if we invest our money for, let's say, a period of 3 years and for a period of 5 years? So try this and let's see what results you get out of it. I hope you like this video, and thank you for watching this.